transformation, automation, and new technologies are changing businesses fast. It has become imperative for decision makers to understand the availability and proficiency levels of the skill talent pool in India. This would enable suitable reskilling of existing employee base and facilitate to equip the next gen talent pool. To delve deeper and understand the demand supply gap in India with respect to the future skills, technology talent, Nasscom, along with Zinnov's Draup talent platform, conducted an in depth analysis. The report analyzes entry level job roles, installed talent, and demand, and explores some of the themes driving digital talent growth. We have estimated that currently India's demand for digital talent jobs is around 8 times larger than the available talent pool, fresh talent pool. Not only that, growing investments by global MNCs are expected to amplify this rising demand. This is where reskilling becomes important and where platforms like Nasscom's Future Skills can play a key role.